In today's video, we are going to show you how each controller setting option functions with your SMARTfit system. Keep in mind, once these settings are changed and saved, they will not reset back to the default. First, sign into your account, then choose the Settings tab. Configuration is your first and most important option. The photo image shown here must match the SMARTfit system you're interested in using. The options cycled through 5 configurations. These include the Mini, the Single, the Strike Pods, the Mini and Strike Pods, and the Single and Strike Pods. The layout option only applies to Strike Pods. If you are using Strike Pods, the layout should always be set to custom. In this video, we will use a SMARTfit Mini. Keep in mind your selected configuration will change the pre-designed activities and programs you'll see. The activities and programs that you have created under one configuration will not transfer to the next. You will need to recreate them under the new configuration. Fanfare has 2 options, Fanfare Time and Fanfare Type. Fanfare Time allows the user to cycle through the number of seconds added between the end of each game attempt and the start of the next game. For example, if 5 is selected, then the system will restart after 5 seconds of Fanfare Time is complete. The next option is Fanfare Type. This feature will allow the user to choose the image displayed on the targets between the end of the game and the start of the next game. Here are the displays of the Fanfare Types. Original, Multicolor, Thank You, Small Blocks, End. The first 2 options under the target section are single/mini targets and strike pods. These options will notify you on the number of targets you picked up when connected to your SMARTfit system. Both options are grayed out and are not changeable. The next option is RF channel, which is the RF radio band that drives the wireless strike pods. This option should only change if conflicting with another RF system nearby. Changing the RF channel in the app means the strike pods will need to be changed as well. The RF channel in the app needs to match the channel displayed on the strike pods. The RF power option is the RF radio band strength that connects the strike pods and CPU. This option can be increased or decreased via the power slider. We suggest you leave this bar strength at about the halfway mark when using the pods. The first game option is auto restart. When auto restart is on, the game will display the score and then ready itself for another game to start after the Fanfare Time is complete. When auto restart is off, the system will remain idle and only start a new game when the start game featured is selected in the SMARTfit app. The first audio option is voice/jingle volume. This option will increase or decrease the volume of the start game instructions and attract music during idle periods. Move the slider to the left to turn the music volume off. In the game tones option, the user can select which set of game tones will be played to register successful strikes and unsuccessful strikes. The user can only listen to the game tones during an active game. The voice instructions feature will play during the start of each game. The user can choose to switch the voice on or off. Audio type is based on the version of your controller's hardware. If you notice a buzzing or crackling controller, switch your audio type to standard. This will limit the volume output on your controller. The visual option Show Blue will turn on or off each target's ability to display the color blue. The advanced color option means that the colors used by the target will support all colors with the high power requirements such as white. Attract mode is active when the system is not in use. You can only listen to the attract music during these idle periods. And finally, the message option, which shows up on the targets during attract mode. You can choose to change this message here. Click the blue Done button to save these settings. If you have any questions about the information covered in this video, please call customer service.